Hello. Today what I'm going to talk to you about is an exciting relationship between Sybase and SAP. Now this relationship is producing products that have been co-developed between the two companies. One such product is called Mobile CRM for SAP. Now this product takes the power of a full-blown CRM application that you traditionally use a desktop or laptop to get access to and transferring it securely down to a mobile device, such as an iPhone, Windows Mobile, or BlackBerry device. Let me show you this. Now I want to walk you through a couple tasks in my mobile CRM application. I simply click on the icon, and now it is entering me into the protected space on my iPhone that contains my SAP information. Up top, I see shortcuts to the most commonly used information. I can get instant access to my accounts, contacts, activities, leads, opportunities, or analytics. Also here I see today's activities. I quickly notice that I have two activities starting at 1 p.m. One is a sales status call, and one is a meeting with Don. Well, Don is the customer, so I want to make sure that I can meet with Don at an appropriate time. So let me click on that event. Clicking on it, I see the information, sure enough, 1 to 2. I'm going to go ahead and give Don a call. So if I click on the account there, I see the contact information, and I can simply place a phone call and ask Don if it's all right if we meet at a later time. So you see that interaction directly with the iPhone phone application. Now I've placed a call with Don, so I'm going to go ahead and log that event. So if I go down to the bottom here, I see that the Activities tab allows me to add a new activity, and this was an outgoing phone call. The description is change time to 3. All right, so I'm logging that activity simply from the iPhone. And now, when I go back, I see that I have entered that activity, but now I want to modify the time so it reflects correctly on my calendar. I'm going to go in here and change the time from 1 to 3. Let's go 3 to 5. So at this point, I have changed the calendar event, and once I complete this, all that information will be sent back to my SAP backend and updated on the system. So now you see my today's activities. I have a 1 p.m. meeting, but I also have a 2:41 p.m. meeting. Actually, I have the meeting with Don at 3. I have the activity that I just entered in shows that at 2:41, I placed that outgoing call. One last thing I'm going to show you is in the analytics. Like always, I have a call pretty soon here with my sales manager to talk about my pipeline. Well, I can quickly review my current pipeline and see how close I am matching up to target and so on. Now, I'm not 100% sure I'm going to have coverage when I have this meeting here in an hour or so, so I'm going to go ahead and save off this information. So I can save this report as, let's just call it saved. And now you notice that I have this report in case I go out of coverage while I'm on the train, or if I'm in a basement or so on, out of coverage, I can bring up this report. All right, so I've shown you a few activities here. Down at the bottom, obviously, we have some additional activities, most recently done activities, notifications that are coming, incoming opportunities, and so on. There's a whole lot more that I could show you, but I just wanted to give you a glimpse of a couple activities that I can do on my iPhone. Now, mobilizing your CRM application not only provides huge benefits to the sales organization, but also to your overall company and IT organizations. From the sales organization's perspective, the sales individuals are going to have instant access to that critical CRM application data that they use on a daily basis. They may be walking into a customer and need to bring up a phone number or bring up an email address or some critical information about that account. Or they may be with the customer and need to pull that information up on demand. Having it in their palm of their hand is going to provide huge benefit. Now you can see that it's a huge return on investment that you're increasing with this solution. This SAP backend system is going to be much more utilized now that it's in the palm of the hands. Additionally, those mobile workers are going to be more productive. Things that may have not been caught before because it took too much time to bring up your laptop and enter in, I made a phone call or I emailed so-and-so, are now going to be captured and be able to recall in the future. That's going to make that worker much more efficient. Now, from an IT organization's perspective, they want to make sure that information is secure. And with this solution, everything on the device is fully encrypted, fully secure. They can be assured that it's not going to be jeopardized by extending it out further to the mobile devices. Additionally, who knows what the next iPhone or BlackBerry device is going to be? You don't want to tie yourself into a solution that only supports a device or two. With our solution, you have the ability to be device agnostic and support an array of different devices, no matter where those devices are going. Now, to find out more information about this solution, and you can visit us on the web at www.sybase.com or on SAP's website at www.sap.com. Thank you for listening.